Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to work with DaVinci Resolve. Let's begin by exploring the user interface. DaVinci Resolve organizes its workflow into distinct pages, such as Media, Edit, Color, and Deliver. To start, create a new project and import your footage into the media pool. You'll spend most of your time in the Edit page, where the timeline is central for arranging your clips. Understanding these foundational elements is key to a smooth editing experience, setting you up for success from the very first click. Now, let's dive into the essential editing techniques. The Edit page is where you'll perform most of your cuts and trims. Use the razor blade tool to split clips and the selection tool to adjust their duration on the timeline. Experiment with different transitions, like a simple cross dissolve, to smoothly connect your shots. Remember, precise editing is about telling your story effectively, so take your time to refine each cut and transition for maximum impact. Next, we'll explore the powerful color page, where your footage truly comes to life. Start with color correction to achieve a neutral, balanced image using the primary color wheels and curves. Then, move to color grading to apply a creative look, enhancing the mood and style of your video. Utilize nodes to build complex grading structures and make precise adjustments. Mastering these tools can transform your visuals from ordinary to cinematic, adding significant production value. Finally, it's time to export your finished project from the Deliver page. DaVinci Resolve offers numerous export presets, including options optimized for platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. You can also customize settings such as resolution, frame rate, and video codec, like H.264, to meet specific delivery requirements. Ensure your render settings match your project's specifications for the best quality. A successful export means your hard work is ready to be shared with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.